I used to think buying an HDMI 2.1 cable automatically fixed everything. If 4K HDR was not working, if 120 Hz looked wrong but the image still looks disappointing, and I kept doing it until I realized something. The cable is almost never the problem. So here are the 5 real reasons I found that kill HDMI 2.1 performance, and none of them are the cable. Number 1. And this is something most people completely miss. Not every HDMI port on your TV is the same. I've seen TVs with 4 ports where only one actually supports full 2.1 features, 4K at 120 Hz, VRR with full HDR bandwidth. Now the first thing I do is check the manual, find the port labeled HDMI 2.1 or Enhanced, and plug in there. The signal was being limited before it even started. Number 2. This is where it gets frustrating. A box that says HDMI 2.1 doesn't mean it performs like one. I've seen cheap cables make the claim and fall apart the moment real bandwidth hits them, and the longer the cable, the worse it gets. Black screens, random flickers, HDR turning itself off. It just quietly can't handle what's being pushed through it. Now I keep cables as short as my setup allows, and when length is unavoidable, quality becomes non-negotiable. A short, well-made cable beats a long, cheap one every single time. Number 3. This one used to catch me constantly. The cable was fine, the port was correct, but my console was still outputting the wrong thing. HDR disabled in the menu, refresh rate stuck at 60 Hz, resolution not actually set to 4K. I go into display settings now and verify everything manually. Sometimes the hardware was never the problem, the settings were just wrong from the start. Number 4. This one surprised me completely. I had everything routed through my receiver and suddenly features stopped working. I blamed the TV, then the cable, then the console. Not every receiver supports full HDMI 2.1 pass-through. Some quietly strip features out without telling you. Now, I test it simply. Connect the device directly to the TV first. If 4K HDR works immediately, I know exactly where the problem is. It was never the cable. Number 5. Some TVs ship with HDMI bandwidth limited by default. The port is physically capable, the cable is fine, but the TV itself is throttling the signal because nobody turned the right setting on. I look for enhanced format, enhanced HDMI, or input signal plus. The name changes by brand. Enable it on the port your device is connected to. Same cable, same console, same TV, one setting. And suddenly, everything works. So if your HDMI 2.1 setup isn't delivering, stop looking at the cable first. The cable is rarely the wall, it's usually everything around it. Find the actual bottleneck, and 4K HDR works the way it was supposed to all along.